Oh, we're just both up here today first. Right in her face. Man. Daisy, you watching from a Daisy. Daisy, don't do that. Ow. Yeah. Yeah, don't like yell at your cats. If you want them to get off of somewhere, just act like they hurt you. Because it did hurt. And that's the only thing that you can communicate with them is, ow. However, I really get my husband, I'll just do it randomly if they do something like generically kind of dumb, like knock something over. Whoa! He chews. It's like it didn't happen. That was a really good one. Moo. You're not gonna believe this. That's some people's favorite thing. I know your favorite thing is food, but that was a really good one. I'm so happy for people today. I'm happy for you too. Really, I am. No, you're great, Mo. Don't worry about it. Yes, chew. Go ahead, air chew. I heard that you added it to Common Core last week curriculum, which is great because something was added, which is better than things constantly being subtracted. Yeah, Moo, did you get the answer but didn't show your work? Yeah, hit your sister. Oh. She really likes the turkey. Wow. She's so excited. Look, this is her excited. This is him excited. He's standing. I've had people say that he stands like really well and they've never seen a cat stand so well. Oh god. I do read all of your comments, I promise. If I respond to them in mass some days, that's how it's gonna be. That's awful. Oh no. Tragic. He'll lick it off of himself, but I hope he licks his dignity back on when he does that.